Hello dear friend. There is a ton of quality budget winter boots for women. But which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget winter boots for women. I have made a list based on performance features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
Starting at number 5, we have the Columbia Ice Maiden Winter Boots. Made with textile and 100% waterproof leather, not only does these ankle-high boots provide warmth in cold weather conditions but also give comfort with cushioning to keep you going on your feet all day long as well. Also, Columbia's women winter boots have a temperature rating of 25F32C for the cold and snowy weather. They also feature a soft artificial fur collar with reinforced lacing. Moreover, these boots are lightweight and adopting advanced technology for a seam-sealed membrane to keep them waterproof. Additionally, the stylish design of the boots also adds a touch to your outfits, keeping you fashionable even on cold days. Moving on at number 4, we have the Muck Boot Arctic Sport 2 Winter Boots. Muck Boot winter boots for women are made of neoprene with fabric lining and pull-on closure. The 5mm neoprene material used in making these boots offers comfort, flexibility, waterproofing, heat retention, and shock absorption. In addition, it can adapt to the curve of your foot to prevent discomfort or blisters. The insole provides support and cushion to the feet for comfortable wear throughout the day. Moreover, the rugged outsole also offers durability and grip on slippery surfaces. The temperature rating of these boots is -40°C to 4°C, providing exceptional comfort and warmth for long wear in cold environments. At number 3, we have the Aleader Women's Warm Faux Winter Boots. Aleader Women's winter boots are designed with seam-sealed waterproof nylon for the upper part with vulcanized rubber outsole. The waterproof rubber round toe design ensures waterproofing ability to keep your feet dry in a wet environment. Also, the rubber sole is slip-resistant and offers reliable grip and protection. The temperature rating is -30°C, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor activities on even the coldest days with warmth and comfort. In addition, these mid-calf winter boots have the shaft measures 7.5 from the arch. The removable inner lining is padded and features soft artificial fur for additional warmth and support. At number 2, we have the bearpaw Women's Isabella Winter Boots. For those who are fond of full-length calf winter boots, these women's snow boots from Bearpaw are great for winter activities. The shaft is 12 inches and made of 100% leather with a rubber sole and wool-lined insulation. The top line features the bungee laces, adjustable toggle with blended wool lining, and sheepskin footbed that offers warmth. In addition, the lightweight and molded EVA rubber outsole and midsole provides durability, comfort, and traction. These boots provide comfort and warmth in a contemporary style. And finally at number 1, we have the Northside Women's Bishop Winter Boots. These women's snow boots are made of fully distressed polyurethane on the lower part with knitted side panels, artificial fur collars, and synthetic sole. Moreover, the rubber foot is water resistant to keep your feet dry at all times in the cold environment. The feature D-ring lacing allowing for an adjustable shaft to better fit different sizes. Also, the shaft measures 11 inches from the arch on the 1-inch heel. The padded insole is removable for washing. These boots are also lightweight and possess a stylish design to keep you fashionable even on cold days. In addition, the rubber outsole and
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button, and if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.